me, Aishenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you get it first.
Viewers and subscribers, family subs, welcome back my viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another update. And today viewers and subscribers, we are at Baptist that's in Yallahs, St. Thomas to be exact. Them call here some Baptist. You understand what Yallahs to be exact? St. Thomas. And what am I doing now? I put on the second pavement, otherwise known as the wearer court, as you can see. But I'm a little late on it because them finish one segment and no more truck has can't to me here from the supervisor. No more truck now come for the day. So what them do so far, I just eat that until maybe tomorrow or next year. But anyway, we are still here to show you that out of Baptist out of Yallahs here, so why the people in there long to get the second coat as now get the second coat. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. So as you can see, even the bike man I roll through smooth. Motorists them I roll through smooth. Because some people may not know so out here so they never get the second pavement. While some people may check say it did already second coat already. Well, as you know now, it just I get it second coat. So this is one segment where them finish already. And them now do no more for the day until, as you say, maybe tomorrow or we don't know. But we'll try to see if we can catch up on it and let you know see. Okay, my viewers, so bless up on yourself, hope you all enjoy the video. You don't know what they do, so just do the do. If you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. And when you do so, just turn on that post notification bell, put it on all so that when you drop a video, the first one to be notified. As I place upon the video, watch him out for me, viewers, manners, and thanks for doing so. And you know what is controlled by Bill Rite. So slowly but surely, they might soon finish pave everything. So they might do it bit by bit, little by little. So time to come, as I do a driving video the other day and show you. So out here, so never pave, get the second paving. So as you can see, I hit them out now. Reach late, so we don't get to catch the machine in action, but still better more than that, so we can wear off it and know say yes. See the viewers, remember speak your mind down in the comment section. So remember we always say what? St. Thomas up. Yeah man, St. Thomas nice man. So big up to all my followers on TikTok. When I know what they do, so do they do. So they do is follow and comment on TikTok, okay? Bless up on yourself, hope you all enjoy the video. Bless you, bless you. Touch me now, man. I am sir. Everything good? Yes, sir. So my people, I'm going to show you say it's not complete as yet. I can see say this side not really touch as yet. Take a look on it. So them not finished out at Church Street in Yallahs St. Thomas as yet completely, 100%. It's about 85% complete, as you all can see. Never get to catch the machine in action this time, but so it go. Win some, lose some. Yeah. Manas.